your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, call us bold.
If it's Wednesday, it must be Malta. So we are in Malta, a little island south of Sicily. It's its own independent country. It's a member of the EU. It has an English language. It's a Catholic country. The driving is on the other side of the road like the British drive. And there's a lot of history. It's a major fortress. And the island is very small. It's only 20 miles wide, about 15 miles in length. It is very romantic.
It's a beautiful place just to walk about and see all the fishing boats. They're very colorful here. And also the tribute they pay to all the kitty cats. They build little cat houses for them, and as a community feed them and water them, and they live a life of luxury here. It's just beautiful and warm here. I think I could stay for a while.
Yeah, I think they have 300 days of sun. My kind of place.
Yes, definitely.
As in most seaside communities, it is a joy to have a walk along the harbor side. Fishing boats and marine lifestyle is colorful. And of course there is the ubiquitous crafts and food markets, colorful displays of local products, and especially their local candies and nougat bars. The Rotunda of Mosta is located in the town of Mosta in central Malta. During the Second Siege of Malta during World War II, a bomb struck the Rotunda of Mosta, or Mosta Dome, a spectacular Roman Catholic church and universal icon of Malta. On April 9, 1942, a 500-kilogram German aerial bomb pierced the iconic dome of the Rotunda, while over 300 people were inside. Miraculously, the bomb did not detonate and no one was harmed. It smashed through the third largest unsupported dome in the world, landed on the church floor, and slid across the floor. Royal engineers defused the explosive and safely dumped it into the sea. Because of the timing and the massive number of parishioners present, the Maltese people hailed the event as a divine miracle. Today, a replica of the bomb is kept on display in the sacristy at the back of the church as a memorial. So this is the chapel in where the bomb landed, and fortunately, as I said, it didn't explode, but you can see the cracks on the marble where it hit. So in this church, it has the third largest unsupported. Unbelievable how big it is. In every church in Europe, when you leave the church, you have to pass through the obligatory gift shop, where you can buy such religious things as playing cards and trinkets. So as we end our day touring Malta, we once more have a chance to enjoy the beautiful coastline and architecture. As we make our way back to the port and our cruise ship and get on board, the embarkation was beautiful, and we passed through the inner harbor and then out to the Mediterranean. We hope you enjoyed this video of Malta. We encourage you to visit sometime soon. Please give us a thumbs up and make a comment.
YOLO adventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance,
watching, and as
come
always, hit that
explore.
subscribe button, that notification
YOLO
bell, and
adventure,
see all the
so much
videos we have
more.
coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO adventure! YOLO adventure!